Okay, like I was saying, guys, in my previous video, like a good thing we have a four-wheel drive truck. Yeah, I don't know why my video got interrupted. I guess like a song was playing on my phone. That's how it stopped the recording earlier. So now this is part 2, guys. But wow, windstorm crazy, guys. Oh man, I wasn't expecting like to snow like this, man. You know, like I was at the Tequila at nighttime, like around 5 or 6 p.m. It was just normal, but now all of a sudden, so I ain't going anywhere. Hey, it looks like someone is driving, guys. Look at that. Yeah, don't drive around this time, man. It's dangerous. Man, it's sticking on the road big time. Oh my. Wonder what's gonna look like, man. Like in the morning. Yeah, literally, you guys can see like man, it's like so clear. Let's go to hold on. We're gonna go head out to the other gym room. Hold it, guys. Dang, look at that. Very nice. Someone's driving around that time. I'm not gonna say what street is that. You know, privacy. But yep, so clear, guys. It's been a while, man. So till then, see you guys.